Instagram launches new feature Meta AI. When you go to Instagram search bar, have an option of Meta AI. You can ask any type of question to Meta AI. They provide any type of answer. I am asking for a question to Meta AI. How to write a content for Instagram post? They provide me an answer. When you write imagine, you create an image as per your need. I am asking a cat fly in the air. Meta AI create an image as per my prompt. Great results. You can ask for any type of video. I am asking for entertainment reels. They are providing me the results as per my prompt. Nice result.